So,
identity.
so from the first day till now, what is the difference you feel in yourself?
Feelings negative blocks less than ma'am. First time starting first day ஒரு 50% of 50% of reduced ma'am.
Okay.
Another my behavior and self confidence.
So see what happens now when we are in anger, fear, frustration, either we are in past or in present, or in future. Okay. Like when you're angry on something, you can either be on in the past, you're thinking about past, or if you are getting scared, you will be in the future. You're not in present. Okay. So when you remove all these things, no distractions, like if you're feeling scared, and you apply those different techniques which I'm teaching you. And once you remove the fear of past, fear of future and irritation from the past, you will come to alignment and you will come and focus in the present. So at the present moment, you only have to prepare yourself for the future, right? There is nothing to be scared, right? Is there anything to be scared right now? Because you have neither lost anything I mean, there's no loss, right? You haven't lost anything yet. Or in future, so don't create a future, keep thinking that you're losing. So you don't have to do that. Okay, so once you cut your connection with unwanted things from the past or from the future, no, you'll come to the present. Got it? And to help us, these techniques will be helpful.